Welcome back to our open plan cargo trailer conversion. We think that we have it just about ready for this year's camping season. We have tried a lot and changed a lot. A new electric hot plate or cooking eye was just added for the kitchen. Now we can cook on the hot plate, the propane stove, microwave and the grilling pan. The new kitchen now has lots of ways to cook and plenty of storage. As you can see, the handy sink can be used for washing in the kitchen and double as a bathroom sink. The electric eye can be used for cooking food or any use where hot water is needed. For quick heating, we use the microwave oven. The air conditioner and window fan are checked out and ready. We plan to use the inflatable bed, since it proved to be the most comfortable option. We are looking forward to using the more energy-efficient solid blackout window curtain. The Holy Hoop shower has proven to be very handy and serves as a shower enclosure and a private toilet stall. The door screen does a good job of keeping out insects and letting the cool breeze in. Insulating the ceiling has helped a lot on the few warm days we have had so far, and we expect it will improve the comfort level this summer. The inside light was rewired so that it would operate on the house battery without having the truck plugged in or on. It is a very bright LED light that doesn't use much power from the battery. This handy, sturdy shelf was reinstalled as it fits perfectly over the kitchen counter. It will hold a variety of items, including the cooking water, and items on the shelf should not fall when in transit. This vertical rod or pipe makes a great place to store the paper towels. Although being level is not critical for this trailer and or appliances, this is a level that has bubbles for front to back and side to side. If the temperature will go up and gas prices will go down, we hope to have an enjoyable camping season. We do appreciate the fact that our rig gets 17 miles per gallon while towing. This kitchen towel hangs on the end of the counter. This double-sided vanity mirror was added for makeup, brushing teeth, doing hair, or shaving. Using it on this counter doubles it as a dresser. We then added a new light for the vanity area of the counter, the kitchen, and the whole space. It is an outlet for charging devices and a lifetime LED bulb. Works on AC or DC with the inverter. Next we added a topper over the entrance door for yet another cozy touch. This is where nature meets glamping.